Alright, hey guys. Today I've got a 42-inch Hunter Stratford 2 ceiling fan from 2006. This is in my aunt's house. She is moving, so this is probably the only video I'll ever take of it. But it's perfectly balanced and has no wobble to it. I mean, it kind of is dusty, but it runs completely fine. So, here's the remote. It's a standard Hunter remote. That's what it looks like. And here's the light. It's on a dimmer, but it does not affect the fan. I repeat, it does not affect the fan. It's wired differently, which is really cool. But, yep, turn that off. And now we'll start with low. Very nice low for these fans. Get up on the bed and show you. So here it is. There's the pull chain. Very dusty. Yep. Now we'll take it up to medium. Medium is pretty fast. And now for high. And this thing's moving a lot of air. Wow. I mean, look how balanced the blades are on this. Perfect. Not one bent blade on it. It's just so good they took care of this fan. Alright. Let's turn it off. And yeah, I'm gonna stop the blades. Yeah, it's kind of dirty. Especially the blade brackets. As you can tell, there's the light kit. So it's oak to I think like a mahogany color. And the Hunter logo is somewhere on this fan. Oh, here it is. There's the Hunter logo. And yeah, that is the 42-inch or 44-inch